Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about, is the stock market the best place to invest your money? Let's get into the video. The stock market is a complex and dynamic place, and it's often considered one of the most popular investment avenues. But is it really the best place for everyone? Let's dive in and explore the pros and cons. The pros of investing in the stock market. The first and most important thing is diversification. One of the biggest advantages of investing in the stock market is diversification. When you invest in stocks, you are essentially buying a piece of multiple companies. This spread of risk can help protect your investments from severe losses if one company or industry underperforms. The second pro of investing in the stock market is potential for high returns. Stocks have historically provided the potential for high returns over the long term. Many investors have seen their investments grow significantly in the stock market, making it an attractive option for those seeking to build wealth. Third, liquidity. Stocks are highly liquid assets, meaning you can buy and sell them easily. This liquidity allows you to access your money relatively quickly compared to other investments such as real estate or private equity. The fourth pros of investing in the stock market is accessibility. In recent years, the stock market has become more accessible than ever before thanks to online brokerage platforms. You can start investing with as little as a few dollars, making it feasible for almost anyone to get started. But before you rush to invest all your money in the stock market, let's talk about the potential downsides. The cons of investing in the stock market. The first con of investing in the stock market is volatility. The stock market is notorious for its volatility. Prices can swing widely in the short term, which can be nerve wracking for investors. If you cannot handle the ups and downs, it might not be the best choice for you. The second con of investing in the stock market is the risk of loss. While stocks offer the potential of high returns, they also come with the risk of significant losses. Market crashes and economic downturns can result in a sharp decline in the value of your investments. The third cons of investing in the stock market is lack of control. When you buy stocks, you are essentially a shareholder in a company, but you have little control over how the company is managed. If the company's leadership makes poor decisions, it can negatively impact your investment. The fourth con of investing in the stock market is time and research. Successful stock market investing requires time and research. You need to stay informed about the companies you are investing in, market trends, and economic developments. If you are not willing to put in the effort, you might struggle to make informed decisions. So, is the stock market the best place to invest your money? Well, it depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. The stock market offers significant potential, but it also comes with risks that you should carefully consider. However, if you are looking to invest with a long term period of 5 to 20 years, even 40 years time period, you will definitely want to be investing a percent of your income into the stock market every month, where there also will be the advantage of compounding, which is the eighth wonder of the world. Before making any decision, it's essential to do your homework, diversify your portfolio, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Remember, there is no one size fits all answer, and the best investment for you might be a mix of different assets. That's all for today video. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights into the world of finance and investing. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts on investing in the stock market, leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.